Welcome all of you. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University Aurangabad arranges UGC HRDC Aurangabad a online refresher course in environmental studies and sustainable development. Myself, Kaikar Deepak Ganesh, roll number 40. Today, I am discussing a micro teaching event on the topic metallurgy. Now, in this topic, we are discussing about the introduction, some terms used in metallurgy, another one that is occurrence of metals and types of ores. Next one, concentration of ores, that is purification of ores. The some process which are used for the concentration of ores are froth flotation method, magnetic separation method, and gravity separation method. First of all, see what is meant by metallurgy. That is, metallurgy means it is an art and science dealing with economical extraction of metals from their ores and the preparation of the alloys. So it is called as metallurgy. That is introductive part. That is, man is a strong metal, and the compounds and their corresponds right from the ancient days. Further is the experience that there is a need of getting pure metals, that this why the developed different techniques to obtain pure metals. This topic or this part deals with the study of some technologies used in the extraction of the metals. Next term used in metallurgy is mineral. So mineral is a naturally occurring substance obtained from the mines. Another term called as ores, it is the mineral from which metal can be extracted economically. The example of mineral is sadarite, the mineral from of iron, but not ore. And example of ore, that is a simple example, that is hematite, which is ore of iron. Next term used in metallurgy is a gangue. So what is meant by gangue? It is a clay and unwanted siliceous material which is impurities, or which called as impurities in the ore, known as gangue material or matrix. Another term which are used, that is flux, also slag. These are the unwanted parts. Now, next term is occurrence of metals and types of ores. Here, metals are occur or metals gets from the mines also. The types of ores, that is ore containing free or native metal, that is copper, for example copper, gold, platinum, etc. Next one, oxide ores, that is large number of metal compounds in the form of oxides and oxide salts are well known. Another one, that is oxides, that is hematite, also rutile, bauxite is an example of oxide ores. Next one, carbonates, that is sodium, calcium, magnesium. From forms they are carbonates, that is limestone, for example limestone, dolomite, calcinite, etc. Another one, sulfates, Metals such as magnesium, calcium, lead, barium are found in the form of sulfates, that is barytes. Next one, gypsums, these are the examples. Another one, silicates. Silicates, it is many metal are found in the form of these silicates, that is also feldspar, silicate sponge. Another type, that is phosphates. Phosphates, for example, monazite. Next one, phosphorites, that is rock phosphate, etc. Another one, sulfide ores or pyrites, that is copper, zinc, lead or silver, occur in the form of sulfides, that is ZnS, zinc sulfide, or cinnabar, argentite, etc. Now, next point is concentration of ores. Here, concentration means the ore that is found or found in mines totally is disturbed, that is non-purified. So, the ore which is collecting from the mines are firstly purified from some methods, and purification of ore is called as concentration of the ore. Now, ore is concentrated from some methods or purified some methods. That is first method called as froth flotation method. In this method, the ore is subjected or collected in a tank. Okay, now this process is based on the different wetting properties of the ore and gangue with oil and water. This is the principle of the froth flotation method. There are the additives are the four types which are added in this ore, that is collector, frother, activator and depressant. First one, collector, it helps collection of the ore particle into the foam and increases the efficiency of the process. Next one, frother, that is it is the substance which helps foreign substances foreign substance or formation of the stable froth. For example, the substance which is the formation of the froth is pine oil. Next one, activator, some sodium sulfide which is used as an activator one. And last one, depressant, it prevents the floating of the undesired ore particles. Now process. Process, in the process extensively used for the sulfide ores. The provided powdered ore along with water is taken in the rectangular tank. Various substances such as frothers, connectors, activators are added in the tank. The current of air is blown in the tank. Now, the froth form rises to the top of the liquid, carrying practically almost all sulfide ores particles. The gangue particles being weighted by water settle down the froth, then skimmed and squeezed out through the canvas bag. Thus, good separation is achieved. Second method called as magnetic separation method. Principle of this magnetic separation method for the concentration of ore. Principle is the substance. The separation is based on the difference in magnetic character of ore and Canby particles. Now process. The powdered ore is spread over the non-magnetic leather or rubber belt. The belt is passing over the electromagnetic pulley. Now, the magnetic portion of the ore is attracted by the pulley and separated from the non-magnetic particle. Okay? In this way, the separation is achieved. Now, last method for this concentration of the ore is gravity separation method. Now, principle of this gravity separation method is the method is based on different densities of the ore and galvanic particles. Now, process. The pulverized ore is fed on the top of the sloping and vibrating table, which a stream of water is flowing across it. By this way, the separation is achieved. Okay, thank you.